Hola from beautiful Puerto Rico. We are so excited to be a part of your meeting today and provide a tranquil, guided meditation break in today's agenda. Our goal is to whisk you away to our island paradise so you can clear your mind and join your next session with renewed energy. Let's get started. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position. You may sit on the floor on top of a mat. You can place a blanket or cushion under your sit bones, or you may sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor. It's your choice because this is your practice. Next, you're going to place your hands on your knees or lap, palms up to receive, palms down for grounding, and if you need a little bit of both, then place one palm up and one down. Now close your eyes. And we'll open up the practice with the soothing tones from a singing bowl. The frequency and vibration of these tones will induce peace and calmness. And now take a deep breath in, filling your lungs. And now breathe out, emptying your lungs completely. Breathe in again through your nose. And now blow the air out through your mouth. Breathe in and out. In, out. Keep breathing slowly like this, fully emptying your lungs with each breath. This deep breathing is calming and relaxing you. Nothing else matters right now but you. This is your time and you deserve it. This is productive, healthy time. And you need this time to function at your best. As you continue to breathe slowly and comfortably, notice how your body feels. Don't try to change anything. Simply become aware of the sensations in your body. All you need to do right now is observe. However you are feeling right now is okay. None of your physical sensations are cause for concern, though some of them may be unpleasant because they are signs of built-up stress. Just notice how you are feeling, noticing any signs of stress and tension you may have without trying to change anything right now. Now turn your attention to your head, your eyes, nose, chin, down to your shoulders, noticing each area, observing how your body feels. Gradually move down to your upper body. Notice any areas of tension in your neck, shoulders, chest. Move down to the center of your body. How does your stomach feel? Your abdomen? Keep observing your physical state. And now, move the focus of your attention downwards. Paying attention to your hips. Notice if there's any tension here. And don't try to change it. Keep moving down to your thighs, your knees, your calves, your feet. And take a moment now to scan your entire body, noticing how your body feels as a whole. Where are you feeling the most tension? Bring your focus to this one area of tension and imagine the muscles here loosening up, relaxing, letting the tension go. Release the tension bit by bit until this area fully relaxes. Feel the tension softening. Feel the muscles loosening, relaxing. And now notice where your body is the most relaxed. How does this relaxation feel? Imagine this relaxation as a warm and soothing sensation that begins to spread and relax other areas of your body. Feel your body becoming more and more relaxed as this feeling of relaxation continues to grow. Imagine that the oxygen you're breathing in is relaxation, and the carbon dioxide you breathe out is tension. Inhale through your nose and relax your body, and then expel your body's tension as you exhale through your mouth. Continue to breathe like this. Feel the relaxation growing and expanding through your body as you breathe in, and feel the tension getting smaller as you breathe out. Breathe in relaxation and breathe out tension. Soon, the areas of tension are very small. Use your breath to dissolve them completely. And breathe out any last bits of tension. You are feeling so calm, so relaxed. And now you're inhaling relaxation and exhaling relaxation. Breathe in, relax. Breathe out, relax. Now go ahead and scan your body again. Notice how your body feels now, and allow yourself to melt into this pleasant feeling. Focus now on your thoughts, noticing how you've quieted your mind and you're enjoying this relaxation. Now repeat the word relax mentally every time you inhale and exhale. Inhale, relax. Exhale, relax. Keep breathing, mentally saying relax with each inhale and exhale. If you find your mind wandering, it's okay. That's completely normal. Just bring your focus back to the word relax. Keep repeating this word, noticing how you are completely relaxed and calm, drifting in a pleasant state of relaxation. Now, simply allow your mind to drift. You don't need to focus on anything at all. Just rest and relax, enjoying this pleasant state you're in. Know that it is okay to relax anytime you need to. You are capable of feeling calm as you go about your normal life, even when you encounter stressful situations. You are strong and resilient, and you can handle anything that comes your way, because your breath will always be there to relax you. Now let's prepare to come back. And let your body and mind reawaken. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Move your arms and legs. Stretch your arms up as you take a deep breath in. And exhale fully. Shrug your shoulders, becoming more and more awake and alert. And let your body and mind return now to your usual level of alertness and wakefulness, feeling calm and filled with energy. And now, bring your hands to heart center. And let's seal our practice with these tones. May you think positive thoughts. May you speak positive, kind words. And may your heart always be open. The divine spirit in me humbly bows to the divine spirit in you. Namaste. Gracias. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this quick getaway to our stunning island. And if you want to learn more about our destination, visit discoverpuertorico.com/meetings. Enjoy the rest of your event. Hasta pronto.